Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Imagine this, you are still studying in class 10th, 11th or 12th and you already have a certificate course from IIT Madras. Yes, you heard it right. One of India's top institute, IIT Madras is offering special short online course for school students. In today's video, I will explain what is IIT Madras School Connect program, who can apply, available course, duration and how student can enroll. So watch this video till end. So first let us see what are the courses available. So first course here is Introduction to Data Science and AI and you are going to receive this certificate from IIT Madras. Second course is Introduction to Electronic System from IIT Madras. Then Introduction to Architect and Design from SPA Vijayawada. Then Introduction to Engineering Biology System from IIT Madras. Next course is Fun with Mathematics and Compound Computing from IIT Gandhinagar. Then Introduction to Law from Nalsa, Hyderabad. Maths Unpuzzled Game and Puzzles from IIT Madras. Then Fundamental of Aerospace from IIT Madras. Next course is Introduction to Ecology from IISER Tirupati, Humanity Unplugged from IIT Madras, Introduction to Chemical Engineering from IIT Madras, Economics, Finance and Money Matter from IIT Kanpur. Next course is Game Tech Explorer from IIT Kanpur, Introduction to Product Design from IIT Kanpur, Molecular Engineering from IIT Madras, Civil Engineering for Safe, Sustainable and Resource Effective Infrastructure from IIT Madras. So these were the courses. So here 4, 8, 12 and 16. So totally 16 courses are available for students studying in class 10th, 11th and 12. Now let us see the schedule. So batch 1 is already completed for this year. Now batch 2 registration is already started on 16th Feb and it will end on 31st March. And course will start from 6th April. Course will end on 29 May and then they are going to conduct a final exam on 14th June. So today's date is 26th March. You are having still 5 days because registration will end on 31st March. So you need to register as soon as possible. Now let's see how you can register. So for registration, first thing your school need to partner with IIT Madras. Then second, the school will allot one representative teacher and he will enroll all the interested students. It's not compulsory that all students need to enroll in this course. Only interested student is okay. So they need to register, then they will attend all the courses online and lastly they are going to receive certificate, e-certificate from IIT Madras. Now let's see the key benefit for school as well as the student. So first important benefit is they will get access to expert who is going to provide student with high quality learning content. Then this is very affordable, it's not very much costly. Then since it is online, so it will be flexible and as well as this course is wholly 4 times in year. As you can see, batch 1 is already completed and this is batch 2. Then lastly and most important is recognized certification. So you are going to receive certificate from IIT Madras. Now let's see how you can register. So for registration, you need to go on this official website of IITM School Connect and website is this code.iitm.ac.in/School Connect. Then you need to go on this which is written partner with us. So now let's click here partners with us. So once you come here, you can also check before whether your school is already partnered or not. Once you click here, you will get the list of all school. check if your school is already partnered or not. If your school is already partnered, then you just need to approach to your school. If not, then your school need to register. And so how you are going to do? There are only two steps. First, school need to appoint a SPOC. SPOC is single point of contact, means IIT Madras will contact only to that person for all the communications. So school need to download this template, fill it. So now let's see the template. So this is the template which you need to print in your school letterhead, then date, and all other are already given. You just need to fill the detail like principal name, email ID, mobile number, school address, then detail of the teacher whom school has appointed as SPOC. Then at the bottom, principal signature with school seal. After that, school need to fill this partnership form. So now let's click here. Once you click on it, you are going to get this Google form. This Google form you need to submit only once, and you can check again here from the list of all the schools which have already partnered. So if you have not, then let's see this Google form. So in Google form, first you need to check this box which will be your email ID, then select this your school is located in. So you have two options, India or outside India. Then click on next button. Next, they are going to ask further detail in second step, like full name of school, then school category. So school category, government, government aided, private, NIOS or etc. Then school address you can enter, city, then state, pin code, and then press on next button. In the third step, you need to enter the detail of school authority like principal name, principal official mail ID, then principal mobile number. In the fourth, you need to enter the detail of SPOC, that teacher who is nominated to do all these things. So name, designation, email ID and mobile number. Then in this stage, you need to upload that letterhead which you have already done. You can check the format again from here, convert it in PDF form and upload from this. Next is the last stage where you need to enter whether you are part of any group of schools, like multiple school chains are there, then yes, otherwise select no. Then our student is studying in 10th, 11th and 12th, so you can select all the options or any one or two option according to your school. Then board, whether it's CBSE board or ICSE. Then total number of student in class 10th, in which range it is 50 to 100 or like that. Then for class 11th, then class 12th, then medium of instruction, whether in your school medium instruction is English, Hindi or Tamil. Then lastly, click on submit button. If your student is studying in class 10th, 11th or 12th, this is a great opportunity because very few students get a chance to learn from IIT professor, explore modern subject early and earn a certificate from IIT Madras. So if your school is offering this program, don't miss this opportunity. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, make sure to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to channel for more update on student opportunity and career guidance. See you in the next video.